Hello, everyone. I hope you're ready to go to the beach with me. I love this book, and I think you guys are going to like it as much as I do. It's Sea, Sand, Me. It's written by Patricia Hubbell, and it's illustrated by Lisa Campbell Ernst. Let's go to the beach with this little girl. Pack up our beach bags, load up the car. We're going to the beach. And here we are. Wow. The little girl looks so happy. What do you see, friends? Yes, I see the ocean and the sand and a seagull flying in the sky. Flippity floppy, sun hat, wiggly waggly toes. Mommy rubbing lotion on my nose, nose, nose. You do it. Rub lotion on your nose. Put your big hat on. Let's be safe, right? When we're in the sun, we have to be safe. We put on our big hats and we put on some sunscreen. And sometimes we sit under big beach umbrellas. Pail and shovel, dig, dig, dig. Jump in, Dolly, jump in, pig. Ooh, she's having so much fun in the sand. What do you like to do in the sand? Oh, I like to make sand castles. Beach day, sun, sand, sea. Gulls squawk, squawking, talking just to me. Oh, she's trying to fly. She's trying to fly with the seagulls. Somebody is coming. Spoon in his hands. Oh, a friend. Awesome. Tootsie, come play with me. We make a giant castle in the scritchy, scratchy sand. Whoa, what an awesome sandcastle. What do you see in it? Yeah, some sticks and some seashells. And they made it with their shovels and pails. Seashell toenails, seaweed hair, lifeguard in his great tall chair. They're being so silly. She has seaweed hair and he has a seaweed beer. The lifeguard is laughing. You guys are so funny. Sand in our belly buttons, sand in our pants. We jump in the water and dance, dance, dance. How do you like to dance in the water? I like to jump up and down. How about you? Cool. We jump, jump in the curly whirly wave. Cold water doesn't scare us 'cause we're brave, brave, brave. Whoa, they're jumping up so high. They are so brave. Beach day, sea, sand, whee! My friends and I are splashing in the swishy, swashy sea. They're jumping. They're having so much fun. Time for a break. Lunchtime, lunchtime. Cookies lemonade. Oh, that's my favorite. We flop on our blanket in the shade, shade, shade. Oh yeah, my friends, they're taking a break from the sun. It's so important to take a break from the sun sometimes and drink lemonade or water and eat something to fill up our bellies. Look, they finished eating and now they can go back to play. We climb on the rocks, see a starfish on a stone, a little minnow swimming, and a big fish bone. Wow, guys, see? The minnow, the starfish, and the fish bone. That's what our friends see. We bounce our beach ball, put shells in our pails, wave at a boat with her big red sails. Shadow on the sand now. Sun hanging low. Oh, it's time to what? Time to go home, time to say goodbye. We pack up our beach bags. Home we go. Beach day, wish we could stay. Hope I see my friends on the next beach day. Bye. Bye, friends. I hope you enjoyed the story, and I'll see you again for our next reading adventure.